Did someone say pizza? That's right, get into it. Today I have a very special video for you. I'm going to be showing you how I make my keto pizza. I am not a chef by any means, but I love sharing the things that I discover along my journey with you all. This is especially awesome for those of you who may find yourself in a time crunch and just want something quick and easy that you can make at home. So if you're interested, stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Supernova. Hey, what is up, Nova Nation? So today I'm going to show you how I make my keto pizza. Now, kind disclaimer, if you are ultra super, omega keto, this is not for you because this can be considered high carb in a sense, not that it's not keto, but in the sense that in your total daily, you may not feel comfortable in consuming, let's say, like 7 grams for dinner or whatever, or 8 grams for dinner of carbs. But for those of you who kind of are more carb heavy for dinner anyway, and you don't really spread it out evenly throughout the day, this is something you may want to consider. So if you're interested, stay tuned. For those of you who are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Vanna. Here I do everything wellness, productivity, and lifestyle. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. So let's get started. So to make the keto pizza, what I use is Olay Extreme Wellness High Fiber Carb Lean tortilla wraps. This tortilla wrap is actually 5 grams of carbs. You can see it in the back. It says right here, total carbs is 16, but it subtracts the dietary fiber and that makes the 5 grams of net carbs. So that's pretty much my base for my pizza. Secondly, you're gonna need this Prego. It has no sugar added. It's just traditional Italian sauce. That is going to be my sauce base. Then for my cheeses, you can use whatever cheese kind of you want to. I'm choosing to use mozzarella and some Colby and Jack. This may not be very keto for a lot of people, but who the hell knows? This is the cheese. Like I said, you pick whatever cheese you want to use. These are just the 2 that I'm going to be using. So yeah, these are the cheeses I'm going with today. So what I'm going to do is preheat my oven. I'm going to put it on 365 degrees. So essentially, this is my pizza base. I'm going to take a spoonful of tomato sauce and I'm going to rub it in a circle. So what you're seeing here is me adding in my tablespoon of tomato sauce. I'm going to add a second tablespoon of tomato sauce. You really add whatever the amount is to your liking. Usually I don't add tomato sauce at all, and I add different herbs and such, and the juices make my sauce naturally while it's cooking. It's really up to you. Well, it should kind of look like this, but I'm sure yours will look much neater. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and layer cheese and pepperoni. Yum. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my Colby and Jack. I'm starting that as my base layer on top of my tomato sauce. Then I'm going to layer pepperoni all around my pizza, all the way until I don't have a spot for the pepperoni anymore because I really love pepperoni. To top it off, I'm going to add my mozzarella. I like when you can peek through and see the pepperoni and the mozzarella together. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Essentially, you're going to add whatever amount to your pleasing. So this is what it ends up looking like. I did a layer of tomato sauce, a layer of Colby and Jack, a layer of pepperoni, and on top, mozzarella. After it melts and after it's cooked, which will only take about 12 to 15 minutes, I should say, then I'll show you the finished product. The cook time to be like 15 minutes. And so, yeah. So while that is cooking, I just want to give a quick keto update. So for the past couple of weeks, I actually have not been strict keto or keto at all. I just started again this week maybe, and I'll say that I just began carb counting like yesterday. So essentially the past couple of months have been very fast paced. We actually ended up moving. So if you go back to my previous videos earlier this year, I already had a move, like a big move. And I did a tour of the apartment and I was thinking that, this is gonna be our forever apartment. And we end up moving no, we end up signing to move like a month later. So we moved January. We moved mid-January and we ended up signing to move again in February, like towards the end of February, like maybe a month and 5 days after. And so it's like, from there, everything went so quick. Like I put out whatever videos I could. And then when it came time to move into the home that we're in now, it was just like life kind of just, I don't know, hit me. What is wrong with these animals? Life just kind of hit me like out of nowhere. It was like just a rush of responsibility and adulting that I just wasn't ready for. So I do apologize for not being around and not updating you guys, but I must say that for the past couple months, it's been extremely stressful. I've been doing a lot of stress eating. So I think my last weigh-in was in March. It's probably gonna be the same number on the scale. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold off weighing myself until August. In August, I'll do a weigh-in, and that'll kind of be my keto starting point. That's where I'm gonna start over, like officially, because I'm really just trying to get my foot wet in this. I'm really trying to stick to it. I'm really trying to get into the lifestyle and not just a fad diet. So if this is something you're interested in, you know, following me on, or if you have any questions in regard to anything, or if you have any tips actually, because right now I really need to be getting tips, then leave them in the comment section below and I'll go ahead and respond to them as soon as possible, as soon as I can. So yeah, back to this pizza. Done. I'm so excited. I can't wait to dive in. First, I'm gonna let it cool down just a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, and I'm gonna show you how I serve it. And oh my god, it's perfection. You guys are gonna love it. It's a perfect, ideal, oh my gosh, the oven's still beeping. It's the perfect and ideal snack for people who are kind of like, you know, in a rush and don't have time to make dinner, and you know, want something that's just kind of sort of filling, not really, I don't know. You would have to have ate something that day in order for it to be kind of filling. I'm not even gonna lie, because the crust is so thin. So it's the perfect snack or filler if you ate something, okay? We're just gonna say it like that, okay? I'm gonna say it like that. So yeah, I'm gonna let it cool down for like another 3 minutes or something, and then I'm gonna cut it, just because you know that cheese, once it's melted and it's extremely hot, it's like very ooey gooey, and I don't want to mess. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna let it cool down. Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all, this looks so delicious. I cannot wait to like dig in. Oh my gosh, let me taste test. Yeah, that's delicious. It's really, really good. At least to me it is. And it tastes like pizza. Like, I mean, it is pizza, but it's just homemade. It's quick and easy. It's something you can do at the drop of the dime. Like literally all you need is like 12 to 15 minutes and you're pretty much set. You're pretty much done. So if you enjoyed this video and love quick keto recipes such as these, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, especially like, I'll say, so I know to make more videos just like this one. And don't forget to stay tuned so you won't miss a thing.